To add a battery widget to home screen for devices connected to your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can easily monitor the battery level of your phone and multiple devices you select in one place. On your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen. And then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen. Tap battery. There are two battery widget style, battery status with circle and battery status with list. As the example, we will select battery status with circle. Tap and hold the widget. And then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. If needed, you can do some customization for this widget. To do so, long tap the widget and then select setting icon. To select which devices to show on the widget, tap devices to show. And then select devices you like to show on the widget. By default, all device types are enabled. Thus, you can disable the devices that you don't have. As the example, we will just select Galaxy Watch, Galaxy Buds, and S Pen to stay on and turn off the rest. Tap the back key. Here you can also adjust the widget transparency level. To do so, slide the transparency adjustment bar to the left to get more transparent widget, or slide it to the right to get more solid widget. Once you are done customizing, tap Save button to save your change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.